Is the market finally slowing down, and what does the future look like for Calgary's real estate market? Let's find out. It seems like we've all been asking ourselves this question every month this year, with record sale months happening over and over. In today's video, we're gonna have a look to see if anything has changed going into the last month of 2021. If you don't know who I am, my name's Anthony Taylor, and I'm a local real estate agent here in Calgary. And today we're gonna be having a look at what is currently happening in the market and what it means if you are looking to buy, sell, or invest in the near future. Before we get into the video, if you're not already, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and bell notification, as 90% of my viewers are not subscribed to my channel. And if you did get any value out of this one, don't forget to hit the like button. Let's get right into it. The question that everyone has been asking, especially buyers, is the market finally slowing down and becoming more balanced? Well, when we look at the 2,110 sales from November, this was actually just shy of the record that was set all the way back in 2005. We're actually seeing growth in demand in all property types right now, and this can be largely attributed to the fact that lending rates are expected to increase next year, which has really created a sense of urgency among purchasers who want to get into the housing market before rates rise. This urgency, combined with less inventory coming on the market, has caused conditions to tighten even more while driving home prices up even higher. Let's dive a bit deeper into the numbers. As I mentioned, there were a total of 2,110 sales in November, which is on par with what we've seen over the past 3 months and up 47% from the 883 sales that we saw last November. This brings our year-to-date sales up to 25,956, and that is actually up a staggering 74% from 2020. When we look at the 1,989 new listings on the market, this is actually up from last year's 1,727. However, this is not enough to keep up with demand and is another clear indicator of the tight market conditions, as this is the first time all year we have seen fewer new listings than sales in a single month. This brings the total inventory down to 3,922, and that's actually the lowest we've seen all year and nearly 3,000 below the highs that we saw back in June. In total, there is less than 2 months worth of supply currently on the market. Interestingly enough, the average days on market has actually gone up slightly to 46 days from last month's 43, but it's still much higher than last year's 55 days. November's benchmark price of $461,000 is actually the highest we've seen all year and is up nearly 9% from the same time last year. Let's take a look deeper into what is happening for each property type in Calgary. The benchmark price for detached homes is up 10.6% from last year at $542,600. And there were 1,052 new listings and 1,246 sales. The average days on market is 40 days, and there are 1.2 months of supply. The apartment benchmark price is $251,700, which is up just 1.5% from last year. There were 461 new listings and 332 sales. Month supply has gone way down from last year's 7 months and is at a modest 4.3 months. The current days on market has gone up slightly and is at 69 days. Semi-detached average home price is at $429,800 and is up considerably from last year's $395,400. There were 172 new listings this month and 211 total sales. Month supply is sitting at just a month and a half, while the average days on market is down to 49 from last year's 61. Row home prices are up 6.5% from last year at $299,100. New listings and sales are both up, with 321 sales and 304 new listings. Month supply is down half from what it was a year ago at just over 2 months. The average days on market, like all property types, is also down from last year at just 46 days. Now that we have a clear picture of how each property type is performing, let's have a look at what is happening in each of Calgary's 8 quadrants. We're seeing price gains the most in the south, west, and northern communities. Again, this is the same theme we have seen all year, as sales and prices continue to climb in all the suburbs and outer quadrants, while we're seeing the slowest sales in the inner city. This is largely attributed to more people looking for more long-term work from home solutions. So what does this all mean? Well, in general, the red hot seller's market is somewhat surprisingly continue to push through into what are typically the slower months here in Calgary, as it is a very seasonal market. This means if you are looking to sell, it continues to be a very opportune time. If you are looking to purchase and we're hoping for things to cool down off with the weather, you might be waiting a bit longer, as the short supply is not helping with all the high demand, as many buyers try to secure a home before mortgage rates go up in the near future. If you're looking to invest, there are actually still some very opportune areas and product types that could still yield a great return on your investment as rent prices continue to climb in Calgary. If you have any specific questions about the market in your specific area, feel free to reach out, and if you are looking to buy or sell in Calgary and the surrounding area, I'd be more than happy to help. As always, thank you so much for watching. I hope you got tons of value out of this one. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of the future market update videos. Thanks again. I'll see you on the next one. November's apartment benchmark price is, long-term work from, now that we have okay.